Hey guys, it's February 18th, 2021. Let's look at what Palantir did in today's market. So, Palantir. Palantir's had it rough lately. Actually, they've had it rough a lot. So, they've been on quite a losing streak here. Mainly with the. Let's pull this up in another window. So let's see, trading view. So with their Q4 earnings and their outlook provided to them during that conference, that their guidance was going to be lower. So that pretty much scared a lot of investors, mainly because they're looking for at least the equal growth of previous years, which is like 40 to 40%. And with them giving a guidance of 30%, it looks like they're not getting their money's worth. So that's pretty much what some of the news are indicating. So we'll get back to that one. So some of the other news, basically, the other item that's following that is the employee stock lockup expired today. So 33 million shares were freed up for trading. So we'll see how that goes. But from what it sounds, I was expecting this to be done on Friday, but it seemed like it was done today, according to this thing. So I'm looking to see from here on that maybe we'll start to climb up on the upside, considering that a lot of the factors that are working against us are out. So we've been, as you can see here, we've been dribbling down the whole oversold area. So hopefully with this we'll be able to go back on the upside. So we've already broken the resistance through here. So if we draw a angle there, it seems like we're pretty much gone through that whole thing and on the upside of it. So we're looking for hopefully starting to see an upside. We have taken out some of these sellers here. So we're looking to have, I'm going to expand this here, but the MACD looked like it's starting to point up, but one thing to note is we are still below zero. So we want to be able to get up to above the zero mark to see a more of a confirmed uptrend, right? But that's pretty fair. It's pointing up, and the RSI is doing fairly well in value. So as far as a soft resistance, we can look at an area here at roughly the $27 mark. So that's going to be kind of a soft resistance for us to get across. But you can see here that the trend is already making its way up and it's channeling. We can draw the lines here. So pretty much it's been riding along this line here. And the same thing that can be done for the top end. So, hopefully we'll see some volume tomorrow in favor of Palantir. They have been beaten up pretty well, and looking to get back onto this item here and hopefully break through this $27 mark. So getting back to the news, they also partnered up with a legal digital platform. So basically their Foundry system is basically giving them insight into the back-end data. This is what makes Palantir also unique is their Foundry system with the ontology plus simulation. It gives access to a lot of big data science information quickly once you've set it up. Of course, the other side would be your Apollo and the Gotham serving the defense side. So the good one thing about this, and you can see it in the previous news releases for Q1, that Palantir is making strides to serve non-governmental agencies and organizations, right? To decrease their risk from just being a government contractor, even though two of their major services and products is aligned towards the government. But again, Foundry is looks like a phenomenal system. Okay. Other than that, I think, and I'm not a professional trader, financial advisor, blah, 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 blah. I'm just a guy who's sharing his thoughts and ideas with you guys. So I think, if you're looking to create a position in Palantir, now is probably maybe the time, but, that's just my opinion. So please do your own due diligence. The other item here is that ARK decided to buy more Palantir today. They've bought roughly 5.2 million shares of Palantir again today. So if you guys don't know who ARK is, they're a bunch of smart analysts up there who has outperformed a lot of hedge funds. They're probably top performing companies out there. They manage active their ETFs, and by law they're required to report what they're buying and purchasing within 30 days. Graciously, Kathy Woods and team there is providing it to us on a daily time frame. So, which would be good because and that it kind of creates more of a multiplying effect for them, right? So I think it would be in their best interest. But yeah, just kind of note, they had another, a couple days ago, I think they bought 5.1 or something like that. So they have like 10.3, 10.5 million shares they've purchased. So, I think that should provide a lot of good fundamental basis in belief of the company's ability to innovate and disrupt the industry. I'm a firm believer in the Foundry system. It's me, myself, being a systems architect, been dealing with computers for 25 plus years. I can tell you it's very impressive from what I saw. So other than that, that's it, guys. Happy trading with this. Hopefully we can start to see a good upside with Palantir now because it is one that gets beaten up a lot. But I, as you can see here, the consolidation already finished, and we're starting to see an upside. So, but just be careful of how things go, and happy trading. All right, guys, take care. Bye.